Hi, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to 100 Days of Halloween, day, I believe, 7. So, last night, I watched, he had to go to work, Cruel Summer. This Cruel happened to sit through that movie is what that was. It was just it really never, I can't even explain it to you. It was just not a good movie. I would not watch it. No thumbs. In fact, maybe one thumbs down. Did not like it at all. Did you watch it? Did you enjoy it? If you did, that's perfectly fine. We are all different. I really couldn't get into it. So honestly, I think I spaced on some of the parts of the movie, which I tend to do when something doesn't take my interest. So yeah, because it wasn't even funny. It was just not good. Now, funny and not good, that's okay. Okay, so this is how far I've worked on the blanket so far. I think it's going to be really pretty.
As it is, it looks pretty cool.
I love it, and I love the colors. The colors are making me very happy, so I'm enjoying working on it. Next, tonight's movie is Peacock on FreeVee. So let's watch Peacock and see what happens. As always, it will be in the description box in case you forget what movie. Then you can just go back to the description box instead of watching the video all the way through again. You can always look in the description box for the movie, and I will also put the people who are participating in 100 Days of Halloween that I know of. And there's no catchy name. That's Ella. There's Cindy from Pups and Crochet, and then Heather from the Crochet Witch. Those three are for sure doing it. Other than that, if you know of anybody, let me know. My cousin is supposed to, her channel is No Idle Hands, and she's supposed to be, if what she wants comes in time, she's going to be working on something for 100 Days of Halloween too, so I think that's pretty cool. My cousin will join in. Anyway, so stay spooky, and I'll see you tomorrow for 2 videos. Mwah.